Look. 5'9", thick thighs, hella cute face. I throw it back, he tryna catch it like a bouquet. I spit sick, I'm the shit, so I don't play. And I'm a fighter, so you better watch what you say. My bitch sick and my clique full of bad ones. You niggas scoping, so I know we got some mad ones. See, I'm known to hit hard and I do bruise. So if your nigga looking good, then I will choose him. See, I'm freaking like Lil' Kim and them. Say like I'm chocolate, so he trying to eat my M&Ms. Got my gorilla sitting back for you lame hoes. I make it rain and get you sent over the rainbow. Fucking good. And you bitches sucking too hard. Nicky, you were on cool like a bitch just dick me. And if you ain't from Dallas, then you don't get me. The name's Christina, but my friends, they call me Teen. Swag is so translucent, so you know you cannot see me. And I know you feeling played because you really want to be me. But I get back to the meaty, got you faded if you need me. I'm killing you bitches, call it prostitution massacre. If you bitches bad, me and my whole clique is smashing her. Yes, smashing her, knocking her down and passing her, making her call me daddy, but I left, that mean I backed her. I'm so cutthroat you would think I'm suicidal. My haters, they look up to me. Look, mommy, I'm someone's idol. Wearing the fucking crown because I earned the fucking title. You bitches thinking you bad, but shit, you can't do it like I do. Pussy super good, and plus you stay smelling like nothing. Had to have you cussing and busting, that's why you cuffing. I told them that I'm the shit, you think I'm bluffing? Lay it down, let me suck it, have your whole dick blushing. See, I do not give head, I give percussion. And I'm not going to stop it till I feel like you're erupting. Pussy super good and stupid fat, you think she eat a lot. Make sure you use protection, cause this drip gon' make you eat a lot. Reckless on the dick, and plus the head game is cutthroat, deep though. So anywhere you enter, you can deep stroke. Say that I'm a freak, but boy, I'm way past freaking. Pain is pleasure, gonna beat it. You ain't hurting, I ain't speeding, I'm coming. And baby, it ain't good if I ain't running. Want you to fuck me until I'm hurt, then fuck me like it's funny. Put it deep, 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 way down up in my tummy. Lay it down and let me ride it. Pussy bouncing like a bunny. Say I'm nasty as fuck. Honestly, I can see why. Cause baby, I'm a rider, not talking to wife of T. I blowing them like a blunt. So when I'm done, he say he hot. Head so good, I make him motherfucking G-cry. See, I'm sorry, I turned myself on. Pussy overflowing like the faucet got left on. Blowing over realistic, when I'm done, there's nothing left on. I do it so good, I leave his motherfucking breath gone. Who the baddest in this shit? I say it's Teeny, right? See, you the type that like to beef but do not want to fight shit. Me and my clique will creep like freaks and I come out at night. See, I'm the type of bitch that leave your body out of sight. I eat greedy, sweetie, best believe I'm starving. The closest you come with playing guns is fucking with a Barbie. But me, I fuck with the toolie, I cock it back and I spark it. Got the sniper in the back of my candy paint when I park it. Yeah, it's super big, it's better for a target. If they can't find your body, bitch, then know they cannot charge me. Got you laying in the bitch. They can't hear you, bitch, now shut up. If I pull out the machete, it's gonna get you cut up. This could have been prevented shit, but you had to go buck up. Caught your whole crew and got your whole clique fucked up. You better ask about me, sweetie, I'm an SAG ho. Louisiana Savage Gorilla is who I be ho. Cut the hat off and you hoes is taking me lightly. Yeah, you running your mouth, but won't none of you bitches fight me. See, the pussy super good to make a nigga wanna wife me. And I keep it super wet, so when he eat it's like he died. I could express my fresh, but it might intimidate you. Got a couple of bad bitches that will eliminate you. I keep 3 hoes like I will eliminate you. And I do not play with pussies, what you mean stimulate you. I'm rawer than some motherfucking sushi. And I'm eating you bitches like I'm licking on a coochie. And I take your bitch niggas, so please don't introduce me. See, I have an ass looser than a goose like Lucy. Hold on, I'm colder than the penguin with the flu. Yeah, you talking shit, but what the fuck you tryna do? See me, I'm such a blood, so I'm yelling Sue-woo. But you keep fucking with me and I'll leave your ass blue. Hold on, Louisiana made. I pistol play with that steel. And yeah, they call it goosebumps. When you see it, you get chills. And keep talking this shit and I put it to your grill. And have your jaw locked up like you popped a fucking pill. I beat them, freak them and leave them, cause I don't need them. I'm a motherfucking dog, best believe that's how I treat them. Your hands must be invisible because I cannot see them. Man, you call me Teeny Badass, I'm starting to believe them.